Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am joining in the hashtag Watercolor Wednesday hosted by Side Gig Crafts, and I will link her channel down below. I will also link the channel that I watched some videos on. Her name is Anna. I will link her channel down below. I did watch her video first. I've randomly have used my watercoloring, and this was the first time I actually made a project. This is the project that I created. It's for a friend of mine who's recovering from surgery. I watercolored this stamped image. I did use a stamping platform to stamp, and then once I watercolored, I re-stamped it. I feel like that really made a difference on the image because now the black lines really stick out. Doesn't show some of my imperfections. I've never actually watercolored an image before. It was fun to do, very relaxing. That's my project. And let me show you the supplies that I used. I used this watercolor brush. You just fill it with water, and I used it for the same colors over and over. And I used a paper towel to get rid of the color. This is the stamp that I used. They used to sell these at Michael's, and then I know for a period of time a couple of them showed up at the dollar store. This is the image that I used. These are some of the watercolors that I used. I don't know the names of them. I've had them for years. These ones have a little bit of a shimmer to the actual paint. And you can see on the cloud has a little bit of a shimmer, the white. And then I also used this one. Again, there's no name on it or anything, so I don't know who it's from. And I also used this one, and also this one doesn't have a name either. I've had these in my stash for years. But like I said, I've never actually watercolored before. So this is my image. I'm really happy with it. And I have to make a birthday card, and I think I'm going to try and pull another stamp to also watercolor. I'm really happy with it. So this was definitely something new that I tried, and it was a lot of fun. I will link everyone's channels down below. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.